Well, yeah, it is an awesome sunny day. Well, I think we need to do something, right? Hey, hello there. My hair is a mess, but I think I need my hair messy today. I should brush it a little bit, you know. Today, we are gonna do one thing. As you can see, this is the way I've been feeding myself for so long. Sadly, it doesn't pay the bills. I know you should find a regular job, blah, blah. We have been through that, okay? So just today, I'll teach you my technique into getting cans. Alright, Guaso. Sorry, Bismarck. I don't want you to come down this way with me because it's not the happiest video. But it's my backpack and all of that. And you need to find it. Oh, there. There we go. Backpack collected. And I need to get the Quaso carrier as well. Let's try to get as much as we can. Might sound a little bit stupid, but even if you are not there, go around and keep having a look. I just found my first one here. You need to be careful that they have the symbol. It's 25 cents of an euro. Someone has paid for it already and they decided to throw in the bin. They don't have an issue with it. So many people they do it that people they are really nice about it. Make sure to give it a shake so you don't see any stains in the bag or anything. I'll wash the bag later, but still you want to keep it as nice as possible. Right? And after a good shake, there we go, the first one. One thing that I like to do whenever I get out of here is try to search on the trash cans because look, another one. So now I have 50 cents and I know that wrapper. Oh, it's a good shake. We're gonna check the other one. Usually you don't need to do this. Sometimes there is nothing there. In this case, if you are confident enough or you have gloves or just check, like move a little bit the trash because you never know. Sometimes when it's paper and it's not stained or dirty, you can just move it away and check it out. Like for example, this. Just barely move. If not, just put it down. And now we are in a more highly dense populated area. Go around, check some ones and be quicker about it. Sometimes it's just a matter of patience because not always you're gonna find them, so it's normal. You're gonna check those two. Probably it's gonna be nothing. It's usually nothing. No, I didn't tell you this was easy though. But I guess when the street is this empty, it's not a good sign. Maybe I came too early. I was hoping that people that were going to get things done more quickly, but at least I'm always happy to see some architecture here. I'm kind of feeling that I missed the mark because I don't see people. If there is no people, there is no can. So probably I have two options. I come back tomorrow or I come back tonight. We will have to see. These sometimes can be tricky. They still have the sticker. Sometimes they don't have set it on the lid. This is a beautiful can. Of kidding. I love it. With this one, we have three, so that's 75 cents of an euro and a lovely view of the river. And one thing you must understand about this, you are gonna walk a lot. And you might be calling me fatso, but at least I can walk for hours till well, it gets to a point, you know. And sometimes you can see them just like this, but I don't get these ones because one, they're heavy, two, I don't accept them on my little, so I'll just leave it to that one to someone that might actually be able to get them somewhere. Oh no, I think that one is crashed. Oh, it's a Naruto can. Ah, man, I didn't know that they had this type of ones over here. Oh, nice. Oh, documented, but it doesn't have the sign, so I cannot use that one. And I like to come down here because sometimes people in general like to hang around there and they leave the cans on the bottles. So we said there's so many. Nothing. Nah, unlucky. Nothing there. Let me see here. No. And I love how quiet and serene the water is. At least this time is cleaner than the last one. The last time I came over here, there was a couple of bottles around the water. I was like, oh man, I wish I could have picked them up or something. Like for example, when I was telling you sometimes they leave them outside, they do it like that. Well, the bin is being full, but like yes, we have an euro now. Sometimes leave them on the table like that and it's not supervised. Just take them, like no one is gonna tell you anything about it. And while you are not bothering anyone, just take the ones from the table as well. And 25. The good thing is sometimes they have those handles there where people they can put the bottles and everything, so they make it easier to pick them up. But over here there is not that many, so I was gonna check on the station. But yeah, this is not as full as other days. Probably not gonna see much. So if not, I'm just gonna go to the park down there. This is a beautiful place. And sometimes in places like this, you can see people sitting down, usually having a drink. Where do you think those cans go? Yeah, exactly. Cans they go around here. We are not lucky. Yeah, I'm going home. I'm not being lucky today. Tomorrow is definitely gonna be a better day for doing this. Maybe late at night, depending on the mood. Sometimes it happens. That didn't work out. Well, it's tomorrow, and let's see if it's gonna be more luck. And I decided right now I was going to be a little bit later. So let's hope right now around 17 I'm gonna be there. Let's see how many cans can I get. It seems like today there's a little bit more activity here. Problem with being in this area of the city is, yes, there is more people, but also more for picking up cans. So it's not as easy. Well, there was not that many, so I'm just cutting through the park. Hey, I can see a couple of them already. See, like in here. 1, 2, ooh, another one there. Less than 1 minute in the park. I already got 4. You need to know where you need to go. Yeah, 5. I told you this park. Once it gets rolling, it gets rolling. Let me see this one. Yeah, another one. No, not this one. There's one more. Nothing. Gonna go to the other one because these two are the ones that usually have people. I'm just gonna go to the other one and check. And I could see these two on the distance, but do they actually have? Yeah, they do. Too bad that people that don't finish these ones. The plants are gonna take care of it. The main problem is it doesn't matter how big they are. We'll still give you 25 cents, and that's why we have reinforcements. So I'm gonna just get those from here to there for now. Yeah, I almost fill up because of how big the cans and the bottles are. Inventory space, man, even in real life. And I had to put my hand there so I couldn't record. Didn't I told you something concerning about the size of the bottle being extra bags? And sometimes it's good to wait for a little moment because I thought that man throwing a can. Yep, it's a good one. And these ones, they usually are not lucky. Swear to God, I saw the same trash from yesterday, man. Now we are gonna go to the fancy side. But first, do you see that one? Let me see. Oh, look. Oh, we meet again, but this one doesn't have anything down there. So see, sometimes it's not even worth it to push those ones. Takes so much time. And this one confused me. Oh well, it seems like there is nothing else. It's gonna continue this route. I think I might find a little bit more around here. See, you need to be kind of quick with this because so many people looking for them. Like I said, in this high density area, you need to be fast. No. Bamboos was just the donuts thingy, and there is nothing there. See, for example, this one doesn't have a symbol either, and probably none of the other ones. There's so many people picking up cans around here with their trolleys and everything. Everyone needs money, man, and the cans, they are just easy money. We definitely had better luck at the park. Lucky. Well, good thing that they cleaned them up, eh? And another one. I got another 75 cents. Can't complain. Oh, life ain't easy, eh? Need to find a job. If you don't have find a job, at least you have the can. Let me double check down there. Lucky me. Seems like there is 2 more here. Let me see. No, not this one, but this one. Yeah, this one has the thingy. So, oh, thank you. Few people were nice enough. I just got handed on a can by someone. Ooh, there is one there. Look, sometimes you need to find them in every single place. They are everywhere. They are absolutely everywhere. What a difference, eh? And I barely spent an hour here. We need to explore a little bit more. Keep moving, keep moving. I think the rain is not gonna help us to find more cans. Yeah, I think I found another one down there. Let me see. Ah, no, regular one. Someone left it here. Well, you know what? Just gonna do a favor to us all. We're gonna take another chance to consolidate. The backpack is getting full pretty quickly today. To be honest, I lost count on how many do I have right now. I have a bunch. At least for some packages of rice. So we have a full meal. On the cheap side though, potatoes, rice, maybe carrots. Good job me. Let's gonna keep going. What the hell? Someone dropped an olive oil. Well, not olive. Yeah, sunflower oil here. The hell? Huh? Lucky me. Another one. Plants, I'm pretty sure they have taken more sugar than they can imagine. Every single can feels like a small victory. I'm just happy to find them. Well, I'm happy to find them because they mean money as well. I'm not an idiot. Well, this street is a mine, eh? For finding this, I'm finding most of them down here. I need to pay attention to this box whenever I go home to pick it up because this one I needed to send the suitcase back to yellow guy. Stay there. Don't move, please. It's normal to slow down. I cannot be picking all the day. And I think in times like this, it's good that we rotate to the park. And I got another one. Nice. It's much better when you go to these places with benches. This is where people drink. They don't do it down there. I usually find more cans here. Well, luckily I am here to pick pick you up, Mrs. Bottle. You're a little big. Oh well, doesn't matter. I like big, mommy-like women as well. These people, they know that people, they will pick them up eventually. Hi man, alles good. I'm gonna have to thank Red Bull, not a sponsor, for feeding me up all these months, man. They're so addicted to Red Bull here in Germany. I spent around like an hour going around. No luck on the back. It's just a couple of extra places I can check, and I'm gonna go back the other side basically. I don't know if you can see it, but I saw it on the distance right there. I just saw one. You will see. The good thing is around here there is not that many competence. It is a good one. You see? Hell yeah, I told you. Good thing I have a good eyesight. My lucky cans. I don't have anything right now, so I'm gonna go down there closer to Steinstrasse and see what else. Yeah, another one. But yeah, I think I collected a good amount in an hour, but because I saw the box down there and I really need to send his stuff to London, so I'm gonna go there and pick up the box and go home before the weather gets way worse and the box stains. But obviously if I can pick more on the way, I'm not gonna throw money away. Better with me. It's good that I came back for you, because I found out another one there. Put this one, hold it, and we take it home and we send the suitcase back to Yellow Guy. I'm gonna go back that direction and check the last ones, and then we will go home. And look, I found another bottle. Nice. Literally another one waiting just right on there. Hey, more for the collection. And another one. It's always good to check the stations from time to time. I would have stayed a little bit longer, but the box is the thing that I need right now. So I need to be a man of my word and send it to Yellow Guy. If not, who knows how much money I could have made. Oh, 7 minutes. Bloody hell. Almost there. Oh man, when they're this dark, I need to use the light. No, it's gonna be so complicated to have a look. Oh well, just the last look is not gonna hurt. Is that? No, it's the same one. This one? No, same. I got tricked again. Oh no. Protect the box. Yeah, no soldier gets left behind. We found another one just right before we went home. I feel happy when I have a good day like this. Alright, man. How much had a light though? Hey, Bismarck Quasso, do you want to see how many cans did we get? Let's go, girls. I have to use the light over here, but let's gonna put all the cans together and the girls here so you can see. And probably I'm gonna go for a shower after this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them 4x4 so you can see how many euros did I get. Yeah, and today, well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half in like an hour and a half, something like that. And with the travel time, that will say maybe 20 minutes if you get train. I mean, to be honest, not that much in money. But for someone like me that is not getting anything aside from donations and friends lending me money, this the way I eat, because with those cans probably I'll buy some rice, stock cubes to put them, and with this probably just a little bit savings for whatever I might need in the future. Ay, Quasso, Bismarck, traveling times, but you have to do what you have to do to survive. So I'm gonna go and get a shower. Vielen Dank, people, for giving me your cans and everything. Probably next time, if I don't have to pick up a box, we'll have stayed a little bit longer and pick it up more. Anyways, thank you very much, people. Thank you for your time, and take care. Be safe out there, okay? Trauson is looking for a good whack to lift the spirits when the soda sank. Trauson's quest for some relief from this beverage grief is beyond belief. A good whack, a shake, a stir, to find some fizz, some light, some purr. But let's not dwell on